In the tab task, we can create, edit, modify, hit start, or stop our tasks. Tasks are split by feature: copy trade, AFK, sniper, Twitter, and the limit orders. The flow is similar for all features. There's a create button where we can choose the wallet, assign a name, enter an address, and then add all the details needed based on our goals and strategy. In our docs, you'll find a guide and a quick rundown for all the parts that make up the task creation for each feature. After adding the details based on the strategy, you can choose to apply auto orders or also create a dedicated group, which we'll look at later. When we're done and filled in everything needed, just click Create Task to create the task. We can use must create on copy trade and Twitter where we can bulk create the tasks. In this case, if we enter multiple duplicate wallet addresses, it flags the error, but just hit next and the normal task creation will open. To activate a task, just click Start Task. The status will change and we'll be able to stop it. Here we can duplicate the task, delete it, and through Edit change the task settings and the linked auto orders. Then by clicking Update Task, we'll update the task. There are various details, and by selecting more than one task, we can activate them or stop only those selected. Clicking up here, we can select them all, and here we have actions like Edit Wallet, which lets you change the wallets of all tasks, or Edit Field, auto orders, or delete them all. So we'll have quick actions that will apply to all the selected tasks. The same flow also works for the other features like AFK, Sniper, Twitter, which will have its own must create with the three modes described in our guides. By entering multiple handles, the task creation will apply to all the handles entered. Um, Same principle. Here we can also see the reference handle and the flow stays the same. In the last tab, there are the active limit orders where we can see the type and all the details: wallet, token, target, amount. We can also do a sort by, same idea. By selecting them, we can delete them. Clicking this icon, we can remove some details to clean up the screen to suit our needs.